Hey there, garden lovers. Welcome to Homespot. If you've got a sloped yard that's been sitting empty or underused, today's video is for you. We're diving into the world of terraced gardens, an incredible way to transform those hills and slopes into a beautiful, functional outdoor space. Whether you're looking to add layers of lush greenery, create stunning focal points, or even grow your own veggies, we've got tons of ideas to inspire your next garden project. So, let's get started and turn your sloped yard into the garden of your dreams. Terrace gardens are a fantastic solution for sloped yards, allowing you to create a beautiful, layered design that maximizes space. A natural stone retaining wall not only adds a rustic touch, but also provides stability for each garden tier. On each level, you can plant different types of flowers, shrubs, or herbs, creating a stunning cascade effect that flows down the slope, giving your garden a sense of movement and vitality. For those who appreciate sleek, contemporary designs, a minimalist terraced garden is the way to go. Use smooth, concrete retaining walls and a restrained plant palette to create clean lines and open spaces. This design focuses on the beauty of simplicity, allowing each element, whether it's a small bush or a sculptural piece of art, to stand out. The result is a low-maintenance, high-impact garden that feels both sophisticated and serene. If you love homegrown produce, consider designing your terraced garden to accommodate vegetable planting. Each terrace can be dedicated to a different crop, such as tomatoes, lettuce, or even root vegetables. By utilizing the natural slope, you'll have excellent drainage, and the tiered layout makes it easy to tend to your plants. Plus, the visual variety of vegetables growing in a structured pattern can make for an eye-catching garden display. Imagine walking through a garden where vibrant flowers cascade down each tier, creating an almost magical display of color. From the top, colorful blooms spill over the stone walls, filling the space with life and fragrance. Each level can be filled with a mix of annuals and perennials that bloom at different times, ensuring your garden looks beautiful year-round. This cascading flower effect adds a sense of luxury and whimsy to any sloped yard. Terraced gardens aren't just about plants. They can also provide beautiful spaces for entertaining. By incorporating multi-level seating areas, you can create cozy nooks for relaxation or large spaces for outdoor gatherings. Use stone or wood benches, perhaps even an outdoor dining table, to maximize the potential of each terrace. This way, you turn the entire garden into an extension of your living space, perfect for socializing or unwinding. When night falls, your terraced garden doesn't have to lose its charm. Adding built-in lighting to your terraces can highlight different levels, creating a magical glow. You can place lights along the retaining walls, around the plants, or even underneath the seating areas. Soft lighting transforms the garden, offering a relaxing atmosphere perfect for evening strolls or outdoor dinners under the stars. For a lush and exotic look, consider designing a tropical terraced garden. Tall palms, ferns, and bamboo can add a dramatic effect, making your garden feel like a tropical paradise. The layered design allows you to plant various tropical species that require different levels of sunlight and water, ensuring a diverse yet harmonious look. The terracing also helps mimic the natural landscape of tropical rainforests, offering a natural and calming vibe. Sustainability is a key factor in modern gardening, and terrace gardens are a great way to promote eco-friendly practices. By using recycled materials for the retaining walls and planting native species, you're helping to reduce your environmental footprint. Native plants require less water and maintenance, and by utilizing organic gardening methods, you create a space that benefits both you and the planet. It's a beautiful, sustainable solution for your sloped yard. If you're looking for a low-maintenance garden, a dry or drought-resistant garden is a perfect fit. Terraces made with succulents, cacti, and other drought-tolerant plants can create a visually striking landscape. The varying levels of the garden can allow different types of plants to thrive in their ideal conditions, from arid desert species to hardy grasses. A dry garden terrace also reduces water usage, making it both eco-friendly and visually unique. When designing a terrace garden, incorporating stepped pathways is essential for easy access and visual flow. Winding paths between each level allow you to explore the garden from different angles, while also breaking up the space into manageable sections. Use natural materials like stone, gravel, or wood to create rustic yet functional pathways. These steps guide visitors through your garden while providing a delightful journey through the various garden tiers. A Zen-inspired terraced garden is all about simplicity and tranquility. Incorporate elements such as carefully arranged rocks, sand, and minimalistic plants, creating a peaceful space where the mind can unwind. Each level can represent a different aspect of nature, whether it's a rock garden, a small pond, or a simple bamboo grove. The beauty of Zen gardens lies in their ability to encourage reflection and inner peace, making them ideal for meditation or quiet moments. One of the most rewarding ways to enjoy a terrace garden is by turning one of the levels into an outdoor dining area. Picture a long wooden table surrounded by beautiful flowers and greenery, with a view of the other garden tiers below. Terraces provide the perfect layout for creating distinct spaces, and an outdoor dining area allows you to fully enjoy your garden while entertaining guests or having a quiet meal surrounded by nature. A terraced garden allows you to experiment with a range of plants that bloom in different seasons. On each level, you can plant flowers that bloom at different times of the year, ensuring your garden is never without color. From spring tulips to summer sunflowers and fall chrysanthemums, a seasonal terraced garden offers year-round beauty. The changing seasons create a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape that you can enjoy no matter the time of year. A pergola placed on one of the upper levels of your terraced garden adds both aesthetic appeal and practical shade. As climbing plants like wisteria or jasmine grow over the structure, they create a natural canopy, perfect for relaxing beneath on a warm afternoon. The pergola becomes a focal point in the garden, inviting you to enjoy the view of the tiers below while being surrounded by greenery and blooming flowers. Building a terraced garden doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a few simple tips and affordable materials, you can create your own DIY terraced garden. Start by designing the layout with basic steps or wooden planks to create tiers that are easy to manage. By planting low-maintenance flowers, herbs, or vegetables, you can enjoy a beautiful garden without the need for expensive landscaping. This hands-on project allows you to personalize your space and enjoy the process. Terrace gardens don't have to be symmetrical. In fact, incorporating unique shapes and asymmetrical levels can make your garden more visually engaging. Try experimenting with rounded or irregular terraces that break away from traditional straight lines. These dynamic designs create a sense of movement and excitement, ensuring that your garden is as visually interesting as it is functional. The result is a captivating and one-of-a-kind landscape that stands out in any yard. So, there you have it, 20 amazing ideas for making the most out of your sloped yard with a terraced garden. From lush flower cascades to eco-friendly solutions and even outdoor dining spaces, the possibilities are endless. If you're ready to transform your yard, consider incorporating one or more of these ideas into your garden design. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Homespot for more garden inspiration, and leave a comment below telling us which terrace garden idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!